Our modern way of farming has taken a toll on the land. We've taken too much and given back too little. The soil, the source of our food, is depleted. But there is a better way. It's a way that heals the land instead of harming it. It's called regenerative agriculture. This way of farming is about working with nature, not against it. It's about restoring balance to the earth. It's about growing healthy food while taking care of our planet. Regenerative agriculture is more than just a set of practices. It's a holistic approach to farming that aims to restore and enhance the entire ecosystem. It's a way of thinking about farming that goes beyond the conventional methods. It is about understanding that the health of our farms depends on the health of the whole ecosystem, including the plants, animals, and microorganisms. Conventional farming often sees the soil as just a place to hold plants up, focusing on short-term yields. But regenerative agriculture understands that the soil is alive and teeming with life. It's full of microbes, fungi, and insects that are essential for healthy plants, creating a vibrant underground ecosystem. This way of farming focuses on building healthy soil through practices like composting and using cover crops. It's about increasing biodiversity, not just planting one crop, but integrating a variety of plants to create a resilient system. It's about using natural methods to control pests and weeds, reducing the need for chemical inputs and promoting a balanced ecosystem. Regenerative farmers use a variety of innovative practices to heal and rejuvenate the land, ensuring its health for future generations. One important practice is crop rotation, which plays a crucial role in maintaining soil fertility and reducing pest and disease cycles. This means planting different crops in the same field each year, allowing the soil to recover and replenish essential nutrients. Another key practice is cover cropping, which involves planting crops that are not meant to be harvested but serve other vital purposes. These cover crops help to protect the soil from erosion, retain moisture, and suppress weeds, creating a healthier growing environment. Instead, these crops are grown to improve the soil structure and increase organic matter, enhancing overall soil health. Managed grazing is another important tool in the regenerative farming toolkit. In this practice, livestock are moved frequently from one pasture to another, preventing overgrazing and promoting pasture recovery. This mimics the natural grazing patterns of wild animals and helps to build soil health by encouraging plant growth and nutrient cycling. The fruits of regenerative agriculture. The benefits of regenerative agriculture are many. Healthy soil produces healthier food full of nutrients. This type of farming also helps to conserve water. Healthy soil acts like a sponge, soaking up rainfall. Regenerative agriculture also helps to combat climate change. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it in the soil. This way of farming also supports biodiversity. By creating a healthy ecosystem, regenerative agriculture provides habitat for a wide variety of plants and animals. Real farmers, real change. All over the world, farmers are turning to regenerative agriculture. They're seeing the benefits firsthand. In India, farmers using these methods have seen their yields increase and their costs decrease. In the United States, ranchers are restoring grasslands by using managed grazing. They're seeing their soil improve and their cattle thrive. These farmers are not just growing food, they're growing hope. They're showing us that a different kind of agriculture is possible. A future grounded in hope. Regenerative agriculture is more than just a way to farm. It represents a profound shift in how we interact with the land. It is a way to heal the earth and ourselves, fostering a deeper connection to the natural world. It is a way to create a future where both people and the planet can thrive, ensuring long-term sustainability. It is time to move away from the harmful practices of the past, which have left our soils depleted and our ecosystems fragile. It is time to embrace a way of farming that works with nature, not against it, promoting biodiversity and resilience. The future is in our hands, and the choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. Let us choose to create a world where farms are places of abundance and health, where communities can flourish, where the soil is rich, teeming with life and nutrients, and the air is clean, free from pollutants. Let us choose regenerative agriculture. Let us choose hope and build a brighter, more sustainable future together.